Well, now to the coronavirus in Maryland. 414 new cases. That's the lowest new total in weeks. However, we did see a spike in hospitalizations, 22 more in the past 24 hours. Now, the city's positivity rate is the lowest it has been since the pandemic began. However, city leaders say this does not mean that we can move to the next phase of reopening just yet. WJZ is live at City Hall. Rachel Carden with the latest update from the mayor and the city health commissioner. Rachel?
That's right, Denise. City officials say they need to see a trend, and a trend could take weeks, even a month to establish. They say numbers are good right now, but they need to stay that way. Baltimore City's COVID-19 positivity rate is at 4.2%. Originally, the mayor and health commissioner said that number needed to be below 10% to enter phase 3 of reopening. Now that the CDC suggests a lower than 5% positivity rate before reopening, the city says they need these numbers to trend downward for weeks before changes are made.
Around 126 cases per day in a 7-day average. This could possibly be an early indicator that our aggressive approach to restrictions has had some impact. Only time and sustained decreases will tell.
This means indoor dining remains at 25% capacity. Groups are capped at 25, and mask wearing is a must. The city's health commissioner, Dr. Duraza, says they need to look at the number of new cases, deaths, positive test percentages, and hospital numbers over a period of time before moving forward. Mayor Jack Young encouraged Baltimoreans to wear masks, stay home, and social distance themselves, saying the threat is not gone.
And I'm keep seeing people complaining about masks and asking for exceptions to be made. Let me be very clear. COVID is not making exceptions.
As trash builds up around the city, DPW says they're doing the best they can. With 12 employees quarantining, 19 in home isolation, 75 on sick leave, and 13 on permitted sick leave, they're looking at another option to get the job done.
The overall strategy is to look at getting some more contractors on because, again, COVID's not going anywhere anytime soon.
It takes 230 employees to collect trash daily. Right now, only 163 are reporting for work. Much of the information in this report is updated constantly. You can go to coronavirus.baltimorecity.gov. We also have it linked to our website, WJZ.com. We're live outside of City Hall. I'm Rachel Carden for WJZ.
Thank you, Rachel. Well, also today, Governor Larry Hogan announced that Maryland has applied for federal funds to provide an extra $300 a week in unemployment benefits to people who lost their jobs because of the pandemic. With the state providing funds of its own, the supplement could total as much as $400 a week. President Trump made the move by executive order after Congress could not reach an agreement on a new stimulus.